Hey, Jet.
What?
We are on our way.
I'm away a bit, Jimmy Shorter.
That's right. We're going to go check out the travel trailers.
Yeah.
We're on our way to check out what's new at the Northeast RV Show.
Oh my God.
Come along. Jet, look.
Rob, right here.
Oh my God. There's Will.
What do you see?
RV.
You want to go inside some of them?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that.
Okay.
So this is the Ember. And it has an interesting feature on the outside, which is like a little, this is screen. I imagine it would be for like a pet, but Monty would bust right through this. Maybe cats. You like that, Jet? Oh, I like their, I like this. I don't know, it's pretty cool though. Propane tanks are in here. And then you could probably put your leveling blocks or your cord. It's like a little storage box. I like that. That's pretty cool. That's on the Ember again. It's pretty innovative. So this one here,
That's really cute. Here,
I mean,
look.
it's
You can't go
obviously
in it, but just
too
look.
small for us, right? But
You can't go in it, but just look.
Jet, go ahead, climb in there, Jet.
Oh, I told him no.
Watch your head.
Whoa. Alright, that's it.
So, a little fireplace. Ooh, careful.
Yeah.
Check it out, little couch.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we could tow this behind ours and he can have it.
Here.
You like it? Is it an air conditioner?
Yeah. RV.
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
Outdoor kitchen. It's got really awesome tires. A lot of clearance. So this is one that you can definitely take off-roading without a doubt. Too small for us though. This is a new RV manufacturer. This is called Brinkley, so we want to really check this one out. This looks like a fifth wheel. Oh, she already likes it.
Come on in. Wow, this is designs for me. I mean,
Wow.
the browns. This is nice.
Do you like the finishes?
Wow, look at
I'll
the
tell you what I
brown.
like right away. I like this
Yes, I like the
because
full
I
couch.
like, but I like the one separate chair.
Well, excuse me.
But you could also
Look
let
at this couch.
and then that couch, that would be yours. That probably comes out to a bed,
those all come out.
right?
Those, yeah, this one does, but those all
Yeah.
climb out. Wow.
I hope I don't get copyright claims.
Well,
Yeah, that's the sink. Try not to
Try to
touch
like that.
Jet. You can't.
That's okay. Wipe it on your pants. Oh, Jet, fireplace down here. This is a nice one.
tree stopper.
What do we got here? Storage.
Lots of storage.
Lots of storage. High ceilings. I like that.
The backsplash in the
Ooh,
kitchen. Look at
okay.
this big stove.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Careful, Jet.
big TV.
Oh, the TV's on a Vader.
Televator?
Yeah.
Countertops. Check out this pantry.
This is not a pantry. Oh.
No.
tree. My God. Jet. Show me Jet's room. Show me Jet's room. Where's Jet's room?
Wait, over there.
Oh.
Is it TV then?
Yeah. Oh. Did you see the bathroom? Jill? Wow. Check out the shower. Check out the shower.
It's a whole closet.
This is nice. I love these little these little hooks, these little finishes.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Wow.
Whoa!
This is a nice one, honey.
Good for it.
Closet for
But is
me.
this a forever one?
A closet for me.
Yeah, that's fine. But is this a forever one?
Why wouldn't it be?
Where do we
Good
store
shower.
bikes and stuff?
Oh.
I'm trying to spotlight new things. So this is the vibe. And if you go in here, come in here, there's a small camper. There's a Murphy bed here, couch, kitchen. But it has this little area right here. It has this little area right here. You can sit and look outside. I'm at a countertop right now. It's kind of cool. It's different, you know.
Is it Murphy bed?
There's a Murphy bed and just a bathroom. It's a very small one, but
I don't feel like it's so tiny.
yeah. It's only, this is Papetti right here.
That's what it is. Wow, this could be Jet's room. And we could put a TV up here. Yeah, we could put toys, and it has drawers.
Jet has his own couch?
Yeah.
Stop it.
Wow.
Too dark in here.
Yeah. I mean, I think we love that.
Yeah.
Brinkley.
The Brinkley.
Brinkley.
Brinkley wins out.
Nothing can compare to.
No, the finishes are amazing. Right?
Yeah.
And
everything
the
is
layout was great. And the storage was unbelievable.
It's high quality.
It's high quality. Yeah. But we're not done. We'll see. All right, so that was it. Quick show here in the Northeast.
Small RV show.
Small RV show, and we didn't, other than seeing the Brinkley,
It's the only one.
we didn't really see anything new. It was a lot of the same old stuff, which, I mean, we love walking around and looking at RVs, but we were looking for new.
We were looking for new.
So I guess we're going to have to go to the Tampa RV show. Or, no, maybe we can go to the Hershey RV show in September.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right.
Oh, we can now.
That's right. We can now.
Yes, thank you. This is great show. Okay. Big puppies.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
It actually also helps drain the
Jet,
system
look at that.
your body actually doesn't have a natural way.
Not bad.
All that bad
Is your body shaking?
Yeah.
The Black Friday sale.
Oh, so it's gonna be
Shake it.
$14.99 for